Hey there, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'll show you how can you automatically set column width in Google Sheet. So in order to automatically set column width in Google Sheet, you just have to follow the steps. .docs.google.com/spreadsheet. Once you do it so, you'll be taken to this section. So here what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go ahead and set a column. So first of all, head over to your left hand side and there you have the square icon, right? You need to click on it. Once you do it so, it's gonna select it all. After which, what you need to do is just come right in between the E section as well as B, right over here. And so what you need to do is you just want to make sure to hold your cursor and then you want to double tap on it and then it's going to adjust it on its own. If you want to do it more, you just want to double click on it just like that. And then you can see this is how it's going to adjust it. So that is how you could go ahead and automatically set column width in Google Sheet. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.